How to download voice messages from Discord. So in this tutorial I'm going to tell you that how you can download voice messages from Discord. So as you know that Discord does not have any option to download the voice messages from it, and you can either download it from the mobile app. So in order to download the Discord messages, you need to open Discord on any of the web browser. Here I have opened it on my PC, and we're gonna try downloading from the PC. So here you have to click on Control Shift plus I, and after you click on Control Shift plus I, you will be brought to the inspect. And now here click on Control F, and in over here in search bar type for voice dash message dot ogg. Now here this is the highlighted link of the voice message. So all you have to do is right click on this link and select the option copy link address. And once you've copied the link address, go to another tab. You need to go to another tab and paste the link over here, and then click enter. When you click on enter, you'll see that the voice message has been downloaded in your PC. Go to the download folder and see it will be there. So that is how you can download voice messages from Discord. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.